This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
And a very pleasant good day. It's a Friday, the 18th of May. Jack Lott here with you on the James Dix Financial Network on this market wrap. First of all, an economic report released earlier today. Consumer sentiment unexpectedly improved in early May as a favorable job outlook and a booming stock market muted the impact of record high gasoline prices. The University of Michigan survey of consumers said that the preliminary May reading on its consumer sentiment index rose to 87.7 from 87.1 at the end of last month. Microsoft has announced it's buying online ad agency Quantitative in a $6 billion cash deal. GE close to selling its plastics unit for almost $11 billion to a chemical company called Saudi Basic Industries. World Bank President Paul Wolfowitz will step down his position at the World Bank by the 30th of June. And China has taken steps to allow its currency to rise faster against the dollar after years of U.S. pressure and well ahead of what are expected to be contentious talks in Washington over Beijing's soaring trade surplus with the U.S. Finance ministers from the group of 8 wealthiest nations began arriving today at a resort outside Berlin to start to hammer out issues such as the influence of hedge funds as well as the weakening dollar. That meeting expected to go on all weekend in Germany by the G7 nations. And Citigroup has upgraded Verizon Communications all the way from a sell to a buy and moved their target price from $33 to $48. Apple has said that the FCC has cleared the way for Apple to begin selling its iPhone cell phone in the U.S. next month. The iPhone is Apple's boldest attempt to conquer new technology markets since the company launched its original iPod back in October of 2001. Earnings news today, not many on a Friday. That's usually a slow day, but British Airways plc, Europe's third largest airline, said it had a quarterly loss as the threat of strikes, the doubling of a UK air tax, and continued luggage restrictions took a bite out of their revenue. Scheduled economic reports next week look for durable goods, new home sales, and existing home sales. Going to be a slow economic week. And scheduled earnings reports from major companies like Saks, Lowe's, Sharper Image, Dillard's, American Eagle Outfitters, BJ's Wholesale, Men's Warehouse, Abercrombie & Fitch. Notice the pattern is going to be heavy on the retail side in the week coming up. Stocks in the news today. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories reported a profit of $75 million in the fourth quarter. Intuit, the maker of TurboTax and other financial software, reported third quarter profit and sales beating analyst expectations. And UAL Corp, parent of United Airlines, has reduced 2007 mainline domestic capacity growth by about 2% from its original planned levels. And that's the market wrap on this Friday. I'm Jack Lott. Have a great weekend. This is the James Dix Financial Network.